Hello! Today we'll introduce to you the surgical kit and drilling sequence of the Epikut line. Epikut's surgical kit presents a few differentials when it's compared to other surgical kits from S.I.N implant systems product lines, starting by the lens drill, which has an active lens tip with a diameter of 2 mm, emerging it to 2.5 mm. This optimizes the drilling sequence. The entire drilling sequence is linear and identified by letters. The sequence will be performed according to the implant diameter and the bone type where it is being installed. In the kit, there is an identification for different bone types and implant diameters to guide us through the drilling sequence. As general features of the Epikut kit, it is possible to see here a drilling sequence instruction description for all diameters versus the bone types that will be used. In addition to that, as for all other S.I.N implant system kits, it is possible to see in this bottom part a real scale with the millimeter markings of the drills and direction indicators. As additional parts, there are the drill extension, the transmucosal meter for more taper implants, which assists in the choice of the prosthetic component, the 1.2 hexagonal driver to install the cover screw, and the adapter for the manual torque wrench and handpiece driver. There are 4 extra spaces and drivers for the installation and capture of more taper implants, long and short handpiece drivers, and long and short torque wrench drivers, and also the drivers to capture and install external hexagonal implants, long and short handpiece drivers, and long and short torque wrench drivers. In addition, all the direction indicators at their end are compatible with the lens drill that emerges to 2.5 mm as well. Exemplifying with the drilling sequence of a 3.5 mm diameter implant, external hexagon connection, length of 11.5 mm. Starting the drilling sequence of the Epikut implant, external hexagon, 3.5 mm by 11.5 mm. As an external hexagon implant is indicated for installation at the bone level. It has a length of 11.5 mm. For this reason, we will choose the stopper with a length of 11.5 mm. The first drill has a diameter of 2 mm by 2.5 mm. So, in this sequence, the drill stopper will be chosen. To remove the safe drill stopper, use the removal space on the kit. Now, moving on to the drill B. It has a diameter of 2.7 mm and cutting on the active tip and on its side. Bear in mind that it's an external hexagon implant of 11.5 mm length and it has an indication for bone level installation. For this reason, we will choose again the 11.5 mm drill stopper. In the line below, we find the direction indicators for each exact drill cutter diameter, so we avoid any mismatch of that direction indicator. We will now proceed in a linear sequence to the drill C. It is the drill of 3 mm of diameter. Choose the drill stopper for the 3 mm diameter drill and follow the drilling sequence. Following the linear sequence for the 3.5 mm implant in hard bone, we will go until the drill D. We select the drill stopper. We check the direction indication and the depth of the socket with the specific direction indicator for the last drill. And the implant can now be installed. In case of doubt about the millimeter markings of the direction indicators, use the real scale that is marked on the kit. Press the handpiece driver against the implant blister and rotate it so that the driver captures the implant. If necessary, complete the implant installation with a surgical torque wrench. Remove the cover screw from the cap of the blister. With the 1.2 hexagon driver. Attach the cover screw and install it.